In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive signed documents in Docusign in the easiest possible way. Say goodbye to cluttered digital environments by efficiently organizing your documents within just a few steps. So let's dive in and make document management a breeze. First, head over to the Docusign website. Opening your preferred web browser, simply type in the Docusign URL or click the link if you have it saved in your bookmarks. Docusign is renowned for being the #1 platform for electronic signatures and agreement management, offering robust solutions that save time and streamline processes. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look towards the upper right hand corner of your screen and you'll find the Login button. Click on it, make sure you have your credentials ready. Your username and password are your keys to accessing the vast array of Docusign's powerful features. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Docusign home. This area serves as the central hub for managing all your documents. From here you can easily view your pending and completed tasks at a glance. Once you're on the home page, it's time to locate the Agreements section, so go ahead and click on Agreements. This will lead you to a list of all the agreements and documents currently available in your account, providing a comprehensive view of your digital paperwork landscape. Within this section, find the document you wish to archive. Next to it, you'll spot a 3-dot icon, which is a common feature in many apps symbolizing additional options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In the options provided, select Move. This feature allows you to organize your documents by relocating them into different folders, which is essential for maintaining an intuitive document structure. Now you'll see a prompt to either select the archived folder or create a new one. If you already have an archived folder set up, simply choose it. If not, don't worry, because creating a new one is quite simple and can help better organize your documents according to your preference. Finally, with your desired folder selected, click on Move. And just like that, your document is now neatly tucked away in its designated archive folder, waiting for whenever you need to revisit it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully archived your signed document, freeing up space and creating a more organized digital environment. Remember, structured document management can save you countless hours and prevent unnecessary stress, so consider making this a regular part of your workflow. Thanks for tuning in and happy archiving.